my stupid heart. Don't know, I tried to let you go so many times before. Then I got back and told my stupid heart. Too late, already on my way. If it
Damn it, I've been banned from Dave & Buster's.
Don't understand. Why are you being so mean? You're mean, bad. You're more just jealous of me.
What? Can I help you? No. No, I'm trying to poop.
No, boy. Don't jump! Pussy.
It looks like the meerkat that is known as King Julian. King Julian! King Julian!
Nicholas, congratulations. You'll be joining Shirley and Nina in Hawaii.
I bought my puppy a pumpkin, but I did not expect this to happen.
You're recording this. He's figured out that it's food.
Buddy.
Wait a second, I need to eat this.
Nip up. Come in. You can come out. Come on out. Come here. Come here, buddy. Are you stuck? There you go. Good boy. Yeah, let's go.
I don't
Come
want
here,
anybody
buddy.
eating mine.
You want a treat? Come here. Come here. Good boy.
Have to bribe him to get out of the pumpkin.
哇，宝宝好厉害呀！宝宝真棒，宝宝这么重的显示器都能给妈妈踢倒呢，谁家小猫咪力气这么大呀？对不对？而且宝宝肯定是觉得妈妈这个显示器五颜六色的才好看呢，对不对呀？宝宝真贴心啊！我看看哪个小脚脚踢的呀？啊，这个呀，痛不痛的呀？没事的话就不痛啦。
I got my mind set on you. I got my mind set on you. I got my mind set on you. Got my mind set on you. But it's gonna take money, a whole lot of spending money. It's gonna take plenty of money to do it right, child. It's gonna take time, whole lot of precious time. It's gonna take patience and time to do it, 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 to do it right, child. I got my mind set on you. I got my mind set on you. I got my mind set on you. I got my mind set on you.
Hi, excuse me, I had an appointment for today.
He's new.
Oh, okay.
Are you kidding me?
Paw. Thanks, Jasper.
Man.
My two kitty cats, Muffins.
The fuck? Holy sh! Nice to meet you. My name's Warren.
Laugh about it. That wasn't cool, and I just thought it was important.
Two plastic Easter eggs filled with mung beans. Two Christmas tree ornaments filled with jingle bells. Two wads of masking tape tied together with a pink ribbon.
Maverick. 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 Maverick.
Por que você não tá vigiando o quintal?
Você me pagou alguma coisa pra isso?
Mas eu compro sua ração.
Ração não é pagamento.
Você sabe quanto custa a sua ração? Metade do meu salário vai só pra sua ração.
Qual a ração de frango?
É, a ração de frango que você sempre exige que eu compre pra você.
Eu não gosto de frango.
O quê? Também não compro mais.
Ah, é? Também não vou mais latir.
E o que eu faço?
Compra um gato.
O que é que eu vou fazer com um gato?
Se vira.
Então você quer que eu compre um gato pra vigiar o quintal e você fica aqui dentro comendo ração de frango?
É.
Me segue pra mais vídeos, vai, segue logo, vai.
How to train your dog as a photographer. Well done.
It's 6:30, pitch black outside, and I almost hit this guy. Busy traffic. Oh, baby. Oh, hold on. Hello. Oh my gosh, are we pregnant? I don't know what to do. What did we get ourselves into? We got water. She's not drinking it. Look at her walk. She's hungry. I'm gonna try and feed her a little bit. I'm just gonna try and give her some of his food. What do you think? Oh, baby girl, is she blind too? Oh my gosh, if she's blind too. Look at her eyes. I'm so sorry I did that to you. It's your dad. Oh God. Hey, babe.
Since you got your degree and you know every fucking thing,